All right, guys, we're here in the garage. I'm shirtless because it's summertime here in Texas and it's so damn hot. We are going to be working on the Durango today. This weekend, I noticed a rattling sound coming from the front end, so I decided to do a quick inspection. I think the pulley on the alternator is bad. I'll put a video of what I saw yesterday here. But yeah, let's take a look at it. So I got the engine cover and the intake pipe removed already. I already have the belt taken off with the tensioner and stuff. And take a look at this here. It's really, it'll spin freely and then stop, spin freely and then stop. But one thing I noticed, I'll spin it a few times and just look how wobbly it is. I don't think it's supposed to be wobbling like that. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it off. It's only held on by 3 bolts. It's going to be a little difficult to get to because all this crap on this side of the engine. But one bolt down here, and then one bolt or 2 bolts up top here. So I can already feel them. So 1, 2, and then 3, and then just pull it off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it pulled off. I'm going to put it on the bench vise and then head to the auto parts store and get a replacement for it. This is not a static pulley. It's got a clutch on the inside to kind of help it, when you're decelerating and everything. A lot like the pulley on the supercharger, because it doesn't look like this here or this here. It's not a static pulley. It's got an internal clutch, which is why it has this dust cap on it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get that pulled off, get it on the bench vise, see about removing it, and then we'll continue the video there. We got everything taken out. The alternator is now removed. We have it over here on the bench vise, and I don't know if you can see it too well in the video, but the pulley itself is what's the issue. You can kind of see how it's like not centered. You have this big gap here on this side, not so much on this side. And also when I took it off, I was blowing it out and there was so much dust, or not dust, but rust. It's spinning smoother now, but I don't like the fact that it's like wobbly as it is. So we went to Advanced, got the replacement pulley. Here it is, brand new by Lightens. Fun fact, Lightens is the OEM manufacturer for the Dodge pulleys. They actually make the 2.7-inch pulley that I'm going to ultimately put on the Hellcat. So the only thing to do now is we're going to pull the old pulley off, put the new pulley on, get it installed back in the Durango, and then we'll be good to go. All right, guys. So we're actually in my office because it's way too hot in the garage right now. But I finally got the old pulley off. As you can tell, this is the old pulley. You can see how it's kind of wonky. Found the problem on the back side right here. This is the new pulley next to it. Did get it off. All we got to do now is put the new one on and then reinstall the alternator back in the Durango, and we'll be all set. So we're back out here on the bench vise. Got the alternator there, got the new pulley here. We're just gonna thread it down by hand. You can see the internals are not spinning. We'll get it snugged down nice and tight. And as you can see now, the pulley is nice and centered. Unlike the old one, as you can see, it's wobbling all over the place. So yeah, so now we got the new pulley back on again, nice and centered, nice and smooth. What we're going to do is we're going to take the little nut that it came with, set it in here. When it runs clockwise. This is the position of the pulley, or the direction of the pulley when it's on the engine. So go ahead, take our impact, put it on like this, blast it a few times. Whoops. And we're all good. And we're all good. So now we got the pulley on there nice and tight. Next thing we got to do is just put it back in the Durango, but I'm not going to do that right now because it is like 10 o'clock at night and I don't want to tackle that 30-minute job right now. So again, through the magic of editing, we are going to get that taken care of. Go. All right, guys, we got everything put back together. New pulley is on the alternator. Running nice and smooth, not all noisy like it was the other day or yesterday. The tensioner is not wobbling all over the place. So there we go. Got her all fixed up. Now we just got to get her washed. I'll catch y'all in the next video.